Hey everybody, this week's What to Know Wednesday is a follow-up to the email that you received yesterday about how to find your final exam schedule. It's come to our attention that there was actually a mistake in that email, so it took you to the link for last spring's final exams, which are obviously not going to work out for this term. So I want to make sure that everybody knows how to find out where they need to go. So you're going to go to www.registrar.pitt.edu. Let that page load, and you're going to scroll down under How Can We Help You and click on When Are My Final Exams. And then you're going to click on the Final Exams section. And after that, you're going to click on the first link here that says Spring Term 2194 Final Exam Schedule. And it shows you here in red that you can actually find out your final exam schedule in your portal through PeopleSoft, and it gives you the menu path here. So after you log in, you would be going to your student center, or if you go through Ask Kathy, you're going to go to the main menu, and then you're going to click on Self-Service, Enrollment, and View My Exam Schedule. Now I was with a student yesterday who, we checked this out, and only 2 of his 3 final exams were actually listed in this area. So his physics exam, for whatever reason, wasn't listed in this area, and it should have been. So you're going to want to make sure that you cross-reference both areas, both what's listed in PeopleSoft through this menu path and also this document that you see in front of you. So there are departmental exams and there are, hourly exams. If you scroll down on the second page here, you're going to see the departmental exams. So if you're in any one of these classes here, it tells you specifically what day and what time your final is going to be, but it doesn't give you the location. So you're going to actually look at your syllabus or look in your PeopleSoft portal area to find out where it is, or ask your professor if you're unsure. Now, if your course is not represented here, you're going to come to this third page and you're going to take a look at when the course is offered. So say you have psychology on Monday, Wednesday, Fridays from 11 to 11:50. Well, since that class is the first meeting's on a Monday at 11, you would come to this area right here and it would tell you that your final for that class will be Thursday, April 25th from 2 to 3:50. And they even give you a bit of a chart format down here for the departmental exams. And basically that is it. Now, when you go back to the final exam schedule area, there's also a final exam accommodation guideline, procedure, and form. If you have 3 or more finals scheduled during finals week within a 24-hour rolling period, this is changed from last term, then you can request to get one moved. However, the deadline date is coming up very quickly. It is March 8th. So that's not, this Friday, but it's next Friday. So you're going to want to make sure you read these final exam conflict accommodation guidelines, read the procedure, and then fill out the form and hand it in by Friday, March 8th so that you can get that taken care of. Now, if you have 2 finals that actually conflict with each other time-wise, that has nothing to do with this accommodation form or procedure or guideline. You actually have to work that out between your professors. And there's some information in there in these guidelines about how to approach that and what to do. But if you have any questions, concerns, let me know. You know where I am. Have a good day.